The situation is still getting worse in many parts of the United States. More than 150,000 Americans have now died from COVID-19, and there's no slowdown in sight. The White House Coronavirus Task Force now classifies 21 states as being in the so-called red zone. That means they have high levels of infection and positive tests. As Jackson Proskow reports, there's still no national plan to try to bring the virus under control.
The uncontrolled spread of COVID-19 is delivering deadly consequences across the U.S.
ICUs, they're all full. We are finding ways to MacGyver things, running out of supplies.
For the second day in a row, Florida recorded a record number of deaths, more than 200. California shattered its one-day record for fatalities. Texas reported more than 8,000 new cases. More and more states are on the verge of becoming hotspots, tipping into territory that will bring the certainty of more death.
We do still need a national strategy, and many of us in the public health and health professional sphere have been asking for it. But candidly, 6 months into this in the United States, I'm not expecting anything, and that's unfortunate.
As the virus spreads, the bitter partisan divide over the pandemic grows worse. In Washington, Republican Congressman Louis Gohmert tested positive for COVID-19 less than 24 hours after attending a hearing with the U.S. Attorney General. Gohmert has often refused to wear a mask and seemed to blame face coverings for his diagnosis.
When I have a mask on, I'm moving it to make it comfortable, and I can't help but wonder if that, puts some germs in the mask.
The science on masks, testing, and prevention remains clear. That has not been enough to change the course of decision-making in the U.S. President Donald Trump has returned to pushing conspiracy theories about the virus, promoting the word of a doctor who has claimed there's a cure for COVID-19 and who believes alien DNA is used in medical treatments.
I was very impressed by her. Know nothing about her. I had never seen her before, but certainly you could put her up and let her have a voice.
Without a change in the trajectory of the pandemic, the warnings about where it's all headed are increasingly grim. The American Association of Medical Colleges warns that the death toll is likely to reach the multiple hundreds of thousands. Donna.
Jackson in Washington, thanks.